Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to fix permanently limited PayPal account. So first thing that you should do is to open your PayPal account on your phone. Then you want to go on the top right side and click on your profile, just like so. Then you want to go to help. Then you want to go and identify your identity by using the pattern or use your fingerprint. And after that, you want to go and search for permanent. So just search for permanent like so. Then you want to go for the first option and then scroll down and click on tips for submitting documents. Then you will need to send your documents on PayPal, like ID card, driver's license, passport, etc. So after that, you want to go to your email, open Gmail, then click on the plus sign or compose, just like so. Then you want to send these forms to deactivation queries at PayPal, deactivation queries at paypal.com, just like so. So again, deactivation queries at paypal.com. Then you want to enter the subject, then type here permanent limited, for example. Then you can type a brief message explaining your issue and attach with them all the files and documents, and they will fix your issue. Then you will need to wait for a couple of days until they receive your documents and you receive your email and solve the issue. And after that, you can go and check your email if you have your issue fixed or not. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.